Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and see the size of the folder in File Explorer. It's really easy and simple. Let me open up my File Explorer for this. So let's say I want to see the size of this folder that contains all of these videos. Okay, it's really easy and simple. I come here, right click on this folder, right? Usually it'll show you the size if you just hover on it. Sometimes it does not if they have too many files. You just right click on it, and then I want you to click on properties. If it doesn't show when you hover over it, it will calculate the size for you. So let's say this one right here, right? Doesn't show the size. I just come right click on properties. It's starting to calculate the size, as you can see. And this one is about, so it still has a lot of files. As you can see, the more the files they have, usually will not automatically calculate for you, right? You just have to come here under properties and it's still calculating. So just give it a little bit of time to calculate all of the files for us. Okay, give it a moment. And there you go. So far it's calculated all of these files, 20,792 files, 6,470 folders, and it's about 4.69 gigabytes. There you go. Really that easy and simple.